Today I have a highly requested video. What's the distance? 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 Do a distance test. What's up guys, I'm Eric, and on this channel I like to do product reviews, sometimes how-to-dos on anything that can help you and your family. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also notification bell before we get started on this distance test. So I've had lots and lots of requests to do distance tests on the KeySmart tile, which if you guys haven't seen that video, click right up here and check out that video and see what the KeySmart with tile is all about first. But everyone loves the product, but they don't know how far it can really go. I believe the manufacturer says it can go up to, is it 100 feet? Field is 360 feet. First test is going to be a max distance test where it's lifted up off the ground right here in this goalpost, and we're going to walk out on the soccer field and see how far it really goes. Second test is going to be more of a real life situation where you drop your keys on the ground and you're going to see how far it goes from the ground. Now, since I do have two units, I figured I would do two tests against each other, one with the keys and all the gadgets I have in my everyday carry, and one with just without, you know, all those keys and the knives and everything, just the way it comes from the manufacturer, and see if that has any effect on the actual distance or not. So you can see the tile side, or the side with all the electronics, is facing the field. And just an FYI, I've charged up both of these to full capacity, so that should not have an issue whatsoever. You can see they're both connected. Let's go ahead and do the one without the keys first. Ring it just for a good measure. When you ring it, you can see it has like 5 or 6 circles. And we're coming up on the goalie line. Oh, we're starting to get a little dotted line. We're right here in the goalie box. But I turn around and I'm gonna ring it. And I can definitely hear it, but it looks like they only have one inner circle. All right, let's turn it back around. Go a little bit more, go to about 100 feet or so. There's the 100 feet mark. You can see the pink line. Oh, all right, so we lost it. We're gonna turn around. We're probably about at 80 feet. See if it reconnects. Still nothing. Move back up a couple more feet. I'm still not getting it. I'm almost back up at the goalie box. All right, now I'm starting to get the signal again. Go ahead and ring it. You can see it only has one line. Can you guys hear it? But I would say you're not going to get too much further than this. Let's go ahead and get the tape measure and see how far this is. Alright, we are at 62 feet. So the one without keys did 62 feet roughly. So let's go ahead and go back and do the one with the keys. And you can see it has no problem ringing, and we have 5 full circles. I'm going to hit done. All right, let's walk out. All right, we're coming up onto the goalie box and we're starting to lose it. So we're going to turn around. We're right there on the goalie box, waiting for it to reconnect, and it has not reconnected. All right, let's move up 2 feet. Let's move up 2 more feet. We are at 44 feet. I can read over there. And we're starting to get a reconnection again. Oh, I got connection back when I hit fine. And it definitely rings, but it only has one circle. So we are at 39 feet. You guys can see right there, 39 feet. So we're going to take 2 steps back and see what happens. So we're at 44 feet again, and we're starting to lose it. So with the keys, it's about 39 feet, and without keys, it's about 62 feet. All right, let's go back, drop these things on the ground and do a test from the ground. Just an FYI, you might get different results in your area depending on weather, cell phone reception, radio waves, whatever is floating around the air that could interfere, and also what type of phone that you might be using. But understand this test is just put same phone, 2 of the similar units in the same condition, and see what they do. So I'm gonna put the one with no keys facing up, just like that. And the one with all the keys we're going to place over here the same way facing up. Now please understand, if you drop your keys, more than likely it's not going to land this way. It could land upside down, could land on its side, but I'm just trying to do best life situation and see how it does. As always, I got the camera right here next to the tile, so let's go ahead out there and see how far it goes. Here's the KeySmart Pro, no keys. We're gonna ring it, and you can see we've already lost one bar, one circle. We're getting outside the penalty box and we just lost it. So let's go ahead and turn around, see if it reconnect. It did. Let's go ahead and hit find, and we have one circle. And we're right outside the penalty box, right next to the goal. Let's take 2 steps back and hit find, and it is not ringing, and it lost it. Let's take 2 steps forward and reconnected. Let's hit find, and it is ringing. All right, so let's see how far this is. We're gonna walk over here to the tape. So this was just about 21 feet. Let's go back and do the one with the keys. Go ahead and ring it. And as you can see, we lost about 1 bar or 1 circle already. I hit done and let's get walking. We're right at the first box. We're gonna stop here and turn around. As you can see, we just lost it. Let's see if it reconnects. It did. We're gonna hit find, and it does ring. All right, we're gonna take 2 steps back, hit find. Took a second, but did ring. Let's take 2 more steps back, and it is not ringing. Even, yep, it lost connection. All right, so we're gonna 2 steps up. So this is just about the same distance. Let's see how far it was. Go back over here. So with the key, it was about 22 feet, maybe 21 feet. All right, so on the ground, they both had about the same distance, but when I lifted them up off the ground in the max distance test, the one without the keys performed a little bit better. All right, guys, let's wrap up this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I will answer those when I get a chance. I hope I've earned your subscription. If I have, click this blue button right about there and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for future videos like this and other great videos. If you want to check out the KeySmart Pro unboxing, check out that video. If you want to see the Tile Pro Series, had amazing distance, plus 500 feet, check out that video right there. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.